Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change the lock screen passwords on HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. Let's begin! So, first of all we want to head into our settings, and actually I can show you that currently I have a pin on my lock screen, and in this video we will going to be changing this to something else, most likely a pattern, just because I really like patterns. So, in the settings, you want to scroll down a little and enter biometrics and password, and as you can see here we have change lock screen password. We can go in there, but before we do any changes we first of course need to input our current lock screen password. For me it's this very simple 1234. And as you can see, we want to make sure that we remember our current lock screen password, because if we ever forget it, the only way of getting back to our device is to perform a factory reset, which sadly will wipe everything else with our device, not only the password. So we can now go into OK, and as you can see by default we are setting a new password, but it is also a 6-digit pin, so you can click the change password type into 4-digit pin, custom pin, pattern or alphanumeric password. Of course you can choose whatever you please here. I'm going to go with pattern, and I will go with very simple L shape, though I would recommend that you basically draw something more specific so your password isn't as easy to guess as mine. We now want to hit done. And as you can see, that's all. We can go into cancel because we don't want to add fingerprints. And as you can see now, if I go to my lock screen, I have no longer an alphanumeric pin, but instead I have a pattern, which is pretty cool. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!